Hello everyone and welcome to the very first lecture of this series. In this video, I am going to discuss what is science and what are the different branches in which we can classify it. We have all heard the word science many times in our day-to-day conversations. Still, lot of us are not sure what exactly does it mean. Basically, the word science is derived from a Latin word scientia that means knowledge. Science, as its modern definition says, can be defined as the process of acquiring and organizing knowledge through observation and analysis. We can classify science into three different branches. The first one being natural science, which is a branch of science that studies natural phenomena and the laws that govern those phenomena. The next one is social science. It is a branch of science that studies society and the relationships among the individuals that live within the society. The third is the applied science, which is basically the application of scientific knowledge that already exists to develop practical applications. Then we can also classify natural science into physics, which is a branch of science that tries to explain physical processes and phenomena and the laws which govern those phenomena. Next is chemistry, which is the branch of natural science that deals with study of matter and the fundamental constituent particles it is composed of. Finally, biology is the branch of natural science that involves the study of life and living organisms. Coming back to physics, which itself can be classified into many different branches, which is mechanics, electromagnetism, optics, thermal physics, modern physics, even quantum mechanics, and relativity. Each of these branches will be dealt in separately in the upcoming lectures.